Welcome to 10 in a Nutshell. In this video, I'll share with you 10 subtle psychological habits that make people dislike you, and how to fix them. 1. Interrupting conversations. Constantly interrupting others signals a lack of respect for their thoughts and can make people feel undervalued. It creates frustration and disrupts the flow of communication. Solution. Practice active listening by letting others finish speaking before you contribute. 2. Giving backhanded compliments. These are disguised insults, like, "You look great for your age." They undermine trust and make people feel uncomfortable, as they sense hidden negativity. Better approach. Offer sincere, straightforward compliments that are free of any negative undertones. 3. Passive-aggressiveness. Using sarcasm, silent treatment, or indirect hostility often creates confusion and tension in relationships, making people feel uneasy around you. How to improve? Communicate openly and honestly about your feelings rather than resorting to passive behaviors. 4. Oversharing personal information. Sharing too much too soon can overwhelm others and make them feel uncomfortable, especially if the relationship hasn't reached that level of trust. Consider this. Gradually share personal information as you build trust, and pay attention to the other person's comfort level. 5. Bragging or humble bragging. Constantly talking about your achievements, even in a modest way, can make you seem self-centered or arrogant, pushing people away. A better way. Let your accomplishments speak for themselves and allow others to acknowledge them naturally. 6. Being too agreeable. While being agreeable might seem positive, always agreeing can come off as insincere or overly compliant. People value authenticity, not blind agreement. Try this instead. Share your true opinions and don't be afraid to respectfully disagree when necessary. 7. Not giving eye contact. Avoiding eye contact can make you seem disinterested, untrustworthy, or even dishonest. It creates a barrier in communication and weakens your connection with others. Enhance this. Engage in conversations by maintaining natural eye contact, which shows attentiveness and builds trust. 8. One-upping in conversations. Always trying to top someone else's story with your own experience makes people feel like you're competing with them rather than showing genuine interest in their lives. Shift your focus. Show genuine interest in others' experiences and let their stories be the highlight of the conversation. 9. Being a know-it-all. Offering unsolicited advice or frequently correcting others can make you seem arrogant and dismissive of their knowledge or experiences. Change your approach. Wait for others to ask for your input, and be open to different perspectives without jumping to correct them. 10. Lack of gratitude. Failing to say, "Thank you," or acknowledge others' efforts makes people feel unappreciated and taken for granted, which can lead to resentment. Practice this. Make it a habit to express gratitude regularly by acknowledging others' contributions with a simple thank you. In summary, it's the small, often unnoticed habits that can have the biggest impact on how people perceive us. By recognizing behaviors like interrupting, giving backhanded compliments, or being passive-aggressive, we can start improving our relationships and interactions. Simple adjustments like practicing active listening, offering sincere compliments, and showing gratitude can make all the difference. Remember, it's all about being more mindful of how we come across and making others feel valued. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. And if you want more insightful content like this, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned to 10 in a Nutshell for more.